Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Infix to Postfix conversion. In this video, we will do Infix to Postfix conversion. Okay. First of all, notations. A and B is an expression for uh, the addition of two variables. Okay. Here, A is operand, A and B is operand, and plus is a operator. This expression is written in infix form, okay, infix notation. Okay, if we move this operator in the beginning, it will become prefix notation. You can see plus ab is prefix notation, and if we move this operator at the end, ab, it becomes ab plus, that will be postfix notation. Okay, prefix and postfix expressions are easier for a computer to understand and evaluate, but for humans, infix notations are easier to understand and evaluate. Okay, but for computers, uh, we use prefix and postfix notations. Here we are talking about conversion from infix to postfix. Okay, prefix and postfix notations are easier to parse for a machine, and we don't need for operator precedence, left to right associativity. Okay, in fixed notation, we have to perform, we have to keep in mind that what is the operator precedence and left to right, right to left associativity for evaluating in fixed expressions. Okay, but in prefix and postfix we don't need these two. Okay, postfix notations are used in intermediate code generation. In compiler design, it can be evaluated easily as compared to other notations. Okay, prefix and postfix notations are very easier for our computer, and for computers, if we do infix notation, if we store our expression in infix form in our computer, we have to write operator precedence rules and left to right associativity rules. Okay, to save ourselves from this, we use prefix and postfix notations. Okay, here you can see, here are some examples of prefix and to infix to postfix notations. Here a plus b star c is written. Here you can see star is precedent over the plus. Star is more precedence of a star is more than plus. Okay, that's why we have put bracket over it, b over this. We will evaluate it first, we will convert it into postfix expression. After that, we will then go for other one. Here you can see a plus b c star, and after that this is expression and this is another. This is expression 1, this is expression 2, and we will move plus at the end. Okay, and in the last we will remove brackets. Okay, this is our postfix expression. You can see this is in fixed form. There is another way. If we put bracket over here on a plus b will be more will be evaluated first. Okay, here you can see ab plus and ab plus c star. Okay, this is our postfix notations. Here you can see both expressions are same, but using different types of precedence and associativity, uh, we get different results. Okay, precedence of operators. We have 5 binary operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. What are binary operators? Binary operators always take two inputs, uh, two inputs, and two inputs or two operators, two operands. Sorry, two operands, and give one output. If we have to add 2 plus 3, it will give 5. 2 and 3 are operands, and plus is unary operator that takes 2 and 3 as input and it gives 5 as output. Okay, same for subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. But there are some unary operators also, that is, we put minus uh, before any operand. Okay, that is minus a and plus a also. Okay, you must have heard about negation operator, that is, it is also a unary operator. Oh, sorry, this is also a unary operator. It takes only one input at a time. Okay, there are rules or order of execution of operators in mathematics that is called precedence. Okay, here you can see this is the sign of exponentiation. What is exponentiation? Exponentiation is power operator, that is, if we write 2, this is the exponential sign, and n, it also written as 2 raised to the power n, or in our computers it is written as, okay, it means 2 is multiplied by n times. Okay, that is the meaning of exponentiation. Exponentiation has more precedence over the multiplication and division, and both multiplication and division both have same precedence, and multiplication and division has more precedent than addition and subtraction, and both addition and subtraction have same precedence. Okay, for the operators of same precedence, the left to right rule will be applied. Means when we have same precedent operators present in our expression, we will evaluate from left to right. Okay, for exponentiation, right to left rule will be applied. Okay, if exponentiation is present in an expression, we will evaluate from right to left. Okay, if mixed operators are present, we will see first precedence, after that associativity. Okay, infix to postfix conversion. If we have a plus b, it will be written as ab plus in the postfix conversion. If we have this, it will give this output. Okay, let me first show you the code of conversion from infix to postfix so that you can understand it well. This is I have written a code of a stack, that is character stack. It takes character as a we can push character elements into it. Okay, here we have post pop, top is empty, full is full, size, and here you can see infix to postfix conversion function that takes a string as input, and it will print the postfix form of an infix notation. And here is the precedence prcd function that gives the precedence of the given operator that takes character as input. Okay, is operand checks whether the given character is operand or not. If we input a, it will give 1 because it is an operand. But if we put an operator, it will give 0. Okay, it will return 0. Let me show you the code. First is operand. If ch is parenthesis closing or open parenthesis, it will return 0. If plus minus star divide exponentiation, it will give 0. Okay, otherwise it will give 1. Okay. This is our precedence. I have written the precedence of operators. If we have closing parenthesis, it has lower precedence. If we have plus and minus, both have same precedence, that is 2. If we have a star and divide, we have a precedence of 3, and if we have exponentiation, it has more precedence than all of them. Okay, but you can put any number. Idea for the precedence is we are moving from uh, lower to upper level. Okay, that's why you can put here 10, 100, 200, 300, 400, any value, doesn't matter. Okay, but the precedent rule will be the same. Okay, it will function will return always same. Here is our function. It has a string as input. Here I have taken a character ch that will take one character at time from a string. Here this is the I loop control variable, and I'm taking loop while loop. A loop will run until the end of the string. When input I becomes to null termination, that is /0. Okay, that is called null termination. Okay, it will scan all the input. After that it will print the equivalent postfix expression. First it will take ch first character. First we put 0 here. It will take first character. We will check is operand. If it is operand, we will simply print it. Okay, otherwise if it is a opening parenthesis, we will push into the stack. If it is closing parenthesis, we will pop all the elements from stack, expect top of the element. We will pop out all the elements from the stack until we reach the opening parenthesis. Okay, if all the above conditions will be false, means we have an operator. Okay, in this case we will check the precedence of operator. If the precedence of the input operator is lower than the top of the stack, lower or less than or equal to the top of the stack, and top of the stack should not be equal to opening bracket, opening parenthesis, uh, and our stack is not empty, then we will pop out and print each popped element. Okay, but we should keep in mind we have to ignore this opening bracket. Okay, after that we will push that input operator in the stack, and it will also keep in mind that lower precedence operator, if a higher precedence operator comes in the input, and on the top of the stack we have higher precedence operator, we have to pop out the operator. If we have plus on the top of the stack and we have star in the input, we have to first pop out the plus. After that we can push it in the stack. Okay, that's why this pop statement is written here. Okay, means you can say higher precedent operator, a lower precedent operator cannot pushed over the higher precedent operator. Okay, Here we have incremented the loop control variable, and we will keep doing it until we reach we scan all the elements. Okay, at the end, if something left in our stack, we will simply pop out and print everything. uh, we have to keep in mind that we have to ignore the opening bracket. Okay, this is the infix to postfix expression. Okay, you can see here, this is our input. Okay, this is our input I have given. Okay, let me run the code, and you can see here, you can see this expression as the equivalent postfix expression ab plus c star, and as this last one as this output. Okay, the code is working. Let me show you one more thing. Let me show you some working by doing this example. Here we have ab star c. First we take input a as input, and we will check this is an operand. It will be simply printed, and it will be add to postfix string. Okay, after that plus, you can see in case of a, our stack is empty. We input plus will be pushed into the stack. Okay, and our postfix expression has a. Okay, b will be then put, and our stack has plus, and b is an operand, that's why it will be in the postfix string. After that, star will be input. Here you can see plus has lower precedence. Okay, with nothing have to do, be nothing to worry. We will simply uh, star has the greater precedence. We can push it into the stack. If here already star was present and we were inputting the we are pushing the plus element, plus operator into the stack, we have to pop out, because we cannot put uh, an operator that has a lower precedence when higher precedent operator is already in the stack. Okay, we cannot put a lower operator over the higher precedent operator. Okay, simply you can understand here. The star will be added here. Okay, and AB will be in this case. After that, C will be the input, and it is an operand. It will be simply A B C. Okay, our stack will have plus. Okay, you can see we have reached at the end of the string, input string. We will pop out all the elements from the stack. We will simply put here star Wait, we will simply, here is the output, A, B, C. We will pop out all the elements. First star is on the top, star will be popped out, after that plus will be popped out. This is our postfix expression. Okay guys, your postfix expression can be different because parenthesis is because open and closing brackets are not there. When this opening and closing parenthesis is not present in the stack, in the expression, it has more than one postfix string. It can be more than one postfix strings. Okay, if you do from this side, uh, star has more precedent, it will be BC star. After that, this BC star will be one operator and this will be one another operand. Okay, and plus will be in the last. Okay, but you can see here this is the postfix expression. Here I have written both are different. This is due to the parenthesis. Okay, these brackets. Okay, let me tell you another, let me show you in another example. Here first we input this opening braces and opening parenthesis. Here it will be in the stack. Okay, after that A will be, okay, A is an operand, it will be in the postfix expression. After that plus comes, but plus has more precedence uh, than this. We can easily put plus over it. Okay, here is the, after that this B will be in the input and this will be the same, or stack will be the same, and it is an operand, it will be put at the end of the postfix string. Okay, after that this closing parenthesis will be in the input. When we encountered closing parenthesis, we will pop out uh, we will pop each element one by one until we reach the opening parenthesis. Okay, we will pop and we will add it in the postfix string. Okay, it will be, we have plus will be added to this string, and here we will reach on this, it will be printed. Don't confuse with the orders. Okay, after that this star will be the input. Okay, star will be simply pushed into the stack. After that this opening parenthesis, it will be Guys, here for the opening and closing parenthesis we have different rule. If here we have to insert, we have a negation or negative minus or plus operator that has lower precedence, then we have to pop out the stack, pop out the star from the stack. But here parenthesis, opening parenthesis has the lower priority, but we have to uh, we put it in the stack. We have to ignore this, okay, because it is not printed in the postfix string. Okay, we are simply post it. Okay, here a b. After that c will be our input. The stack will be same because c is an operand. C will be pushed into the stack. Okay, sorry, C will be pushed into the string. A B plus C. Okay, after that minus will be here. Minus has more precedence than the opening, this opening bracket. Okay, opening parenthesis. Here it will be pushed into the stack. Okay, if we have opening parenthesis in the input, we have to ignore it and we have to push it in the stack. Okay, but when we have other operators in the input, we have to check, we can compare it with opening braces. Okay, that's why I am comparing minus and opening parenthesis, sorry, parenthesis, it is bracket and parenthesis, or postfix string will be a b plus and c. Okay, after that d will be d will be in the input. Okay, here it will be saying and d will be added to the postfix string. Okay, now this at the end of the string we have closing parenthesis, that is when we encounter at closing bracket, uh, it will pop out all the inputs until we reach the opening bracket. Okay, here minus is on the top, we will pop out a b plus cd minus will be popped out. After that we reached to the opening bracket. Okay, we will ignore it. Here we will have the string, but we come out from the loop and we don't have any input left. When we come out from the loop, we pop out all the elements in the stack, but we have to ignore the opening brackets. Okay, only a star is left, that's why we will pop out and print the star. This will be our the equivalent postfix string. Okay, here you can see, here this is ab plus cd minus star, ab plus cd minus star. That is, this is how we convert infix to postfix expressions. Okay, hope you understand the concept of conversion from infix to postfix expression. Guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, and if you understand the concept, please like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Happy coding.